Welcome back to Fletcher's Cooks.
What you cooking today, Fletcher?
Pancakes.
Pancakes. Who we got over here?
Hello.
We got Sadie too, right?
Yeah.
All right.
We have flour.
We have 1.5 cups of flour.
And buttermilk and an egg and butter. And
okay, we're going to start by adding some sugar.
And sugar.
We have 1.5 cups of flour, a tablespoon of sugar.
Mommy.
Sadie, here. Sadie. We have a half teaspoon of salt. Okay.
That came out really easy.
Okay. And then we're going to get a tablespoon of baking powder. And then while I'm getting that, Fletcher, do you want to start adding the other stuff in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mommy,
Go ahead.
get eggs.
We have 1 egg. We have 1.25 cups of buttermilk. You could use any kind of milk you had, but we're using buttermilk today.
Oh, Mommy. Can I maybe do that one?
Yeah, that's good, Fletch.
Thank you.
Sadie's going to put in a tablespoon of baking powder. And then we have 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Perfect. Here, put that in there, sis. All right. Now, Fletcher, can you whisk that all together for us?
Yeah. Could we maybe take turns, Mommy?
Okay, we got our batter all mixed up. And what's going on with it, Fletch?
It's a little thick, so we're going to add another bit of buttermilk.
Yeah, we're going to add another quarter cup. So that takes the buttermilk total that we had to 1.5 cups. Stir that in. Sadie, can you hold the bowl? Or Fletcher, somebody? There you go. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. Looks good. Okay. So we've been getting our pan heated up. And do you know how to tell if it's hot?
No.
Okay, hold this for me. Look at the pan. I'm going to get a little bit of water on my fingers. And if it sizzles like that,
It's hot.
the pan's hot enough, okay? Cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to use some pan spray. Make sure that's mixed good. Spray our pan.
Ooh.
And then we're going to start.
Is this paused?
No,
Mommy.
we're going to put in our pancakes.
Mommy, you're going to make pancakes that's so tiny.
I know.
And I'm going to eat it right now.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
What's our pancakes looking like, Fletcher?
Fluffy, and there's bubbles on the top, so we're going to flip them now.
All right. You think you can flip these?
Yeah.
All right, let's show us. That is like a perfect looking pancake, Fletcher. Good job. Okay, so the second side doesn't take nearly as long. So we're gonna finish cooking these pancakes, and we'll be back for what?
Taste test. Hi.
Fletcher, we're back for our taste test. Your pancakes look great. Here, you hold your plate and show everybody. Good job, bro. All right, give us a taste test.
Mom, I'll tell them first, okay?
Okay. You really like those pancakes?
They're great! They're one of the best pancakes ever! They're great. I think it's really good.
You like those?
Yeah.
You would make them again?
100 more times.
100 more times? All right.
Yeah.
Is there anything you want to tell your fans?
Subscribe. See you next time.
Bye, subscribe. See you next time. I love you. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.